To view other members of the social community, you can click on the Members tab from the top. This will take you to a members overview page, sorted first by the most recently active users. You can see myself here. If you'd like to search specifically for users within a specific institution or within a pathway, or search through PhD titles, you can do so from the right here. For example, if I chose University of Edinburgh, I'll be shown users from across the University of Edinburgh, which currently there's 278. If I want to see specifically users in the University of Edinburgh who are on the economics pathway, I can do that now. And there is one. I can reset this. If you want to search for users by name, you can do that here. Or if you just want to search for different types of users, there's a drop down to look between ESRC funded students, PhD students, or academics. You can sort by recently active, the newest members, or an alphabetical list, and you can also choose a grid view or a list view. From this page you can message users directly. You can choose to follow that user if you feel that they are have similar interests to you and you're interested in anything they may post or share. If you want to start connections, you can click on the message function to start a conversation.